Hello, my fellow Earthlings, and just gotten home from a long and grueling um fishing trip with my father, and now I have to put myself through immeasurable pain and suffering for YouTube. Um, and now we have somebody named Ranty Flat Earth who has a um quite nice like to dislike ratio. Um, and literally a minute long intro. This might look like actual video, but it's not actually. The video starts around here, I think. And let us hop right in, my
Have any of
fellow
you
Earthlings.
noticed that I've got a new admirer?
Let's just say, at 28th of June, he had 1,769 subscribers, right? We are now on the 17th of August. So essentially, we're looking at around about 50 days or thereabouts. And in 50 days, he's gone up to almost 27,000 subscribers. So he's put on 25,000 subscribers or 500 subscribers a day. And his work is shit.
I don't believe this is Ranty's actual video, so try to get to his part.
Okay, I think I can manage that.
Yes. Anthony said he would like you to tell him how current science worked out the distance to the sun.
In general, we look for a new law by the following process. First, we guess it.
So when we look at how we measure the distance to the sun today, using modern techniques, we'll see that Huygens was proved correct.
No, Simon. Don't go so Huygens.
Now, I haven't watched this video, but if we go back,
Using modern techniques, we'll see that
there's obviously a cut there. So I haven't seen the original video, but that's a bit strange.
Huygens was proved correct.
No, Simon. Don't go so Huygens. We asked you, how do you prove the distance to the sun today? Where is your proof of the size of...
I mean, I don't think I have to say this, but obviously, in a debate versus a flat earther and, shall we say, a normal person, the burden of truth wouldn't be on the normal person, because, well, I mean, they are the conspiracy theorist after all. But he's the one asking the questions, so I guess.
Venus?
But it's irrelevant. Don't need that information.
Where is your scientific proof?
Okay.
I'm sorry, guys. I'm having some major deja vu from last episode or last series, I guess. I don't know, but yeah, I'm getting some Vietnam flashbacks here.
Okay, but we don't need that either.
Can you science, bro?
Indeed I can. Can you listen carefully?
Cool. Yes, he can. Or, indeed he can. Can't wait. Where's the science?
Good. Before we talk about the exact distance to the sun, I'm going to show you first Eratosthenes measured the angle of the sun's rays in two places.
Eratosthenes. Hello.
This is a long skit about how that was 2,000 years ago, and apparently you can't find the circumference of the world like that today. Apparently, because it's 2,000 years later, that's now a completely invalid experiment that cannot happen. But it goes on for a few minutes, like, I don't know, like 30 seconds or so.
Not 2,000 years ago. No, sticks in the...
How his results meant it couldn't be anything other than a sphere. A convex lens can be purchased for a very small amount.
A convex lens? A piece of glass? Is this your science, bro? Seriously? I'm losing the will to live right now. Hello? Simon Dan, I'm asking for science. Hello? Science, Simon Dan. Hello? Wakey, wakey.
Right. You want to know, though, how current science gets the exact distance to the sun. Not a problem.
Yes, we want to know what current science there is that proves the distance to the sun. For crying out loud, man.
When Venus is at
He's getting to it. Please relax.
greatest elongation, we use radar to determine the distance. Greatest elongation is the point whereby Venus is furthest from the sun in our sky.
Excellent. Radar. Hello, now we're getting somewhere. So I'm guessing this is a formulated scientific proof. Looking.
That's what you'd say for anything, isn't it? If he said anything, any sort of thing that could be any sort of thing that could prove whatever in the globe Earth. Oh, this is probably some formulated experiment that's faked. I guarantee you.
Forward to the hypothesis.
If you go to radar and Venus, the question then becomes how a successful ping can happen on a sphere that's orbiting the sun.
This is just reading all this. If you want to read it, go ahead, but
At that time, the Earth is meant to observation movement along an orbit, especially one as big as ours.
What do you mean 7 minutes isn't a lot of time when you're talking about movement over an orbit? Are you retarded, man?
well, that wasn't very
I'm
kind
down,
of
oh
you.
my. Calm down. Right. Let's have a look. And the sun is 508 million.
Now he's going to divide the size of Earth's orbit by a year, a day, and then a couple minutes.
Miles divided by 365 equals 1.6 million miles per day. Divide that by 24 hours equals 66666666666. Oh, that's a very interesting number, that.
Oh yes, because if you divide a number by 24, and some of the or rather all of the numbers are sixes, obviously Satanism, whatever. Obviously, everyone who thinks that the Earth is round is obviously some kind of freaking insane Satanist cutting themselves for the Dark Lord. I mean, come on, guys.
Anyway, we'll go with it. So every hour, the Earth.
I mean, apparently he doesn't understand how you can divide something by something else, and oh, you can get sixes. Oh, wow.
Moves through our solar system to the tune of 66,666.666 miles. Let's go further. Let's divide that by 60 to give us the distance it travels in 1 minute. Now, from your reference here, when you were quoting Sleeping Warrior, there and back, we are looking at 3.8 minutes times 2, which would be 7.6 minutes. So let's do some mathematics and figure out how many miles it travels in 7.6 minutes.
May I just say, it sounds like he's talking to some second graders right here. Pronunciating, I believe that's the correct word, and every single word, like we're idiots. Well, anyways, guys, that's all the time I have for now. It's been wonderful, and goodbye for now, my dear